just arrived in Bali. What up guys, so the first thing we notice here is a taxi war. So everyone is trying to grab your business by throwing price. So there's a debate between using Grab or using conventional taxi. And the price that the Airbnb host gave us was 350,000 rupiah. But then when we came out, if you use the official airport one, it's like 500. Then now there will be people hustling you, giving you 400, giving you 350. See where you want to go, because we were prepared to go for Grab. Now we just try out for 350. Hours drive, we are finally in Ubud. It's a total different place. It's like Cameron Highlands, but the kampong part of Cameron Highlands. What's pretty so cool about it is that this is at the doorstep itself. Check it out. So it's pretty amazing here so far for day one. It's around 5-6 o'clock in the evening, and we have liaised with the photographer to actually arrange the venue for shooting tomorrow. And now what's happening is I've told the host that we will be needing a scooter to travel around, especially to the rice terrace. We want to have the rice terrace because that's what is unique in Ubud itself. If not, why come so far, right? Paddy feels Skinchan also got. So the amazing space here would be the swimming pool, which is pretty cool, and there's a separate rooms for separate occasions. This is like the pool villa, where I think it's one entire villa. So I think it's one house that you can actually go up, or you can actually just partition it. Then we are getting the one is also ground floor, second floor, which is rooms, and the other one is the unit on top. So staying next to us would be a Guai Lo couple today. How much? Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
So this one you take.
This my boss had and forget just now.
Oh, okay. Sean.
Good.
Thank you. That's how we got a scooter. And it's for 60,000 rupiah for a day. So just for calculation, for those Malaysians who wants to travel to Bali, right? How I calculate, I don't know how you guys calculate, but how I calculate is I divide by 3,000. So I only look at the 1,000 part, the figure before the 1,000. Let's say 20,000 is 20,000, 60,000 is 60,000, right? So that's 60, you divide by 3. So because you divide by 3,000, 60 divided by 3 is 20, so it's 20 ringgit a day. And just now, before negotiating, they were trying to chop for 630 a day. I think some Harley Davidson or something lah. So you want to go for photo shoot, and they will advise you to take things that are better, so just be caution and be very smart about it. It's not some fancy scooter, but you just need to travel around, right? Ate another dinner because the portion was a little bit too small, and now I'm having ice cream while my wife is getting a massage. So I'm just checking out people here. There's a lot of weird people that walked around in the street while I was waiting for my wife. So these two ladies actually asked me like, can I try your ice cream? And people, weird dudes has come. I think they are high. I think so, they are high. They go around asking for food, my goodness.